It literally slipped into the back and folded up, so when it went down the road you didn't even realize. So we went to Wall Street, right downtown New York, took the unit there. It was actually parked right beside where the great big sign is, and we opened the market that morning with Travel Supreme all over the New York City. We ended up starting in 1989, and with God's help, we ended up being very successful and built a lot of fifth wheels. We were building 500 and 600 a year for a number of years, and we did that for about 10 years till the year 2000. Most innovations come from small companies, and then the bigger companies usually catch them, and we were known for that. And one of the things we did is most of the diesel pushers, the engines are in the back end, and so we decided to design this to pull a car. Everybody that has Class A's is usually pulling a car behind the unit that's exposed, so we literally build a car that would go inside the back of the unit.
So I grew up in the RV industry. In 1989, my family started a manufacturing company of their own, and we started building and designing and producing high-end luxury fifth wheels. That was really interesting to watch and see from inside the family perspective. Watch my parents actually hand-built and design the first units themselves. A lot of time went into that. My job, I was about 12 when they started the company, and my job in that whole thing was to watch my two younger sisters while Mom and Dad were out building these first units, trying to get the company off the ground. We decided to go ahead and launch RV Specialist. So the company was actually born in 2017. We built a brand new facility here in Goshen, Indiana. We've got 6 full-service bays in a brand new building, a 13,000 square foot facility at this time with room to expand. We sell some new product, we sell pre-owned product, and then we do everything, pretty much a full-line RV service work here. We do everything from maintenance to repair to refurbishing and actually upfitting units. We're here now in about our 2nd year of operation here in Goshen, and looking forward to the future and serving the community.
I remember coming over here one night and just kind of checking on the facility for whatever reason, and all of a sudden this guy pulls up in this van, and it was Kevin. And one of the things I really appreciate about Kevin, I saw how him and his workers related to the people. Everybody that we had known people. He worked on a lot of units, including my own Tahoe truck, which he did a great job on. I happened to be in Goshen at the night when the hail came, and it had some pretty severe dents in it, and they were gone. I mean, when he got done, they were totally gone. And I saw some of the work that he did on units came in that were, you think, how are you going to fix that one? And I mean, when he got done, these units were perfect, and I never heard one customer complain, and everybody was extremely happy with the quality of the work they did.